Zorentex here today with a special, the first DC Legion of Collectors crate for February, March 2016 in honor of Batman vs Superman. The box is kind of smashed up a little bit, but not too bad. I think I can handle it. You got punched right there. It's all in the name of battle. So let's break into this thing, see what we get. It's the same company, Funko. Did the same thing with the Marvel Collector crate, so we're gonna really enjoy that one. But that's hopefully the same for this. Here we go. La la, skadoosh. So, similar. Oh, I like this here. We got our little pin. Crip. Let us see. Can we see this? Da, da, da. Looks like some dude, Superman. Somebody, I don't know who it was. Superman. That's actually pretty cool. Let's start putting those up. We have Wonder Woman. Ugh. A Wonder Woman patches a Houlihan. That's pretty cool. Wonder Woman Legion of Collectors. Starting off very nice. Expecting big things. Movie's going to be great. Let's see here. What happened? Ooh, I'm digging it. Yes. Push that back. Let's see. What have we? The shirt. Oh, cool. Batman versus Superman. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let us open this. Love these shirts. I get so many shirts. It's just awesomeness. Is that a word? Awesomeness. Here we go. There we go. Dun, dun, dun. That is cool. Let's see. El Caballero de la Noche. El Hombre de Acero. That's cool. I like the color too. Kind of reminds me of a UNC. UNC. So, I'll be wearing that one soon. And next, we have dun dun dun, Armored Batman. Because obviously he is. That's cool. I like that. Oh, nice. Armored Batman number 88. That's pretty cool. Shall we? I don't know. I want to put him on the shelf before I open him and get him dirty. Shelf him, yeah, collector, yeah, come on. Oh, yeah. So I'll have to add him. Yeah, so somewhere down, farther. There we go. We'll have to add him up. We'll let him watch. What we have here, some derbs. Final click. What in the world? I know one of these Aquaman, the other one, obviously. It's like a Superman. Give me more info. Boxes. Or my shipping company. USPS. So yeah, there it is. Superman and Aquaman. Let's get a good. The Dorbs. It's all sealed up good, so we're good on that one. That's pretty cool. I like that. Little Dorbs. You got his little trident there. Superman's got his smiling face. What else we have? Dun dun dun. Superman. Batman, Superman. Pack Booth. Batman Dolls. Legion of Collectors. A little variant like they usually have there. Some nice artwork. Inside the box. Get the rest of it there. So, all in all, awesome. I love the shirts. Give me lots of clothes to wear. Make my wife mad. Too many clothes in the closet. I have to get rid of them. Like the pins. That. The Armored Batman, probably very cool. Not probably, but it is very cool. On the back, you get regular Batman, Superman Soldier, Nightmare Batman. I have to get that one and put him up too. So, while it's not the Hulk Buster, it is still really good. And I'm still liking these. I like these Dorbs. They're pretty cool. They grow on you. So, all in all, the DC Legion of Collectors crate. Signed up for a year, so we'll see how it rolls through. Well, there's some stuff coming through Suicide Squad, I think, is the next one. Looking forward to that too. So we'll see that. And yeah. So we'll just keep on with it. We'll just keep going with it. So DC Legion of Collectors. DC Legion of Collectors. See you soon.